So this is a complete landing of the chariot throne of King Anu on planet Nibiru in one video, old but gold. This was published before, and but in separate in 7 parts. This is one part. So the blue is the chariot throne of King Anu, and to the right hand of yours is planet Nibiru. So we will see how it will land, and then we can play it in slow motion and stuff, high speed, whatever, as you wish. But this is very important to I believe this is the most important video I ever made. I was astonished that day. I was I cannot describe the feelings. I didn't believe what I saw. I was in shock in almost 1 week after that footage. I saw the chariot throne of God landing on the planet Nibiru. So that was something to remember. It was the best moment in my whole life ever, captured on video. So we see that it is have like some kinds of wings, and you can always go back and watch Throne Chariot of King Anu, part 1 and part 2 and part 3 and part 4 and part 5 and part 6 and part 7. Here we see it's landing. In the first part of this video, we saw it coming near the planet, and now it's landing. It's like a carpet. It lands on a platform, and then the platform, like a drawer, it draws back to the like a garage. It lands on a platform, and then the platform draws back. It goes back in like a space inside the planet. So this is it. One more time, you will see it, how it will land on a platform, and the platform is drawn back. It's like it's very like a drawer. Like we'll see yourself. I don't know how to describe it, but it gets swallowed by the planet when it lands on the platform. It goes in the planet. Just like a ship opens a door and a car goes in. Exactly. The blue color is the chariot throne. This is it. See people, how it's moving like a carpet. So it's very huge, and to imagine how it will land on a planet, it is amazing.